Welcome to Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects, where we do projects and maintenance at home that even an average Joe can accomplish. In today's episode, we're going to switch out these old fluorescent lights with some new ones. The ballast burned out on these ones, so I'm just going to switch out the whole thing with some LED shop lights I picked up on Amazon. Should be pretty simple. Let's do it. The shop lights I picked up on Amazon will hang pretty much the same way that these old ones do. I'm not exactly sure if they're the same size though, so I'm going to have to measure before I make a decision on using the exact same hooks. These new LED lights came in a 4-pack set. You can buy them in other numbered sets as well, but I'm just going to start with 4. My son Jay gets a channel shout out for helping Dad out with today's project. Thanks, big guy. So one thing I noticed right away about these lights is that there's no glass. They're pretty much a plastic tube with LED lights inside. They have a metal frame, which I was happy to see, as it should hold pretty well once I mount them. If you're interested in getting them, as usual, links are in the description. As I was saying before, I'm not exactly sure how long these lights are compared to the old ones. We're going to give it a measure and then climb up there to the ceiling and see if the existing hooks are going to work. Nope, just a little too short. I'm not all that surprised. Let's just hope this is our only disappointment of the day. Still, it's a simple fix, just move the hook out to the right length. For those of you that have no existing hooks, the LED light fixtures come with mounting hooks. Just make sure you find a ceiling joist to screw your hooks into. I used a stud finder on the ceiling just to make sure I was still on the joist when I put the screw in. Here's one of the hooks that came with the light fixture. Little quick tip, once you get it started, use a screwdriver placed through the eye of the hook to screw it in the rest of the way. It'll help save your fingers. The light kit came with chains and S-hooks for mounting. All you really need to do is decide how close to the ceiling you want the light to hang and trim the chain to the length you need. I'm using full length since I have a decent height ceiling. Place the S-hook on the end of the chain and use a set of pliers to pinch the gap closed, leaving the other end of the S-hook open. Once your chain is ready, just hook the S-hooks through the holes on the top of the light frame. It's pretty much a simple down hook and pull up. Do the same thing on the other side and you're ready to hang. Now it's time to hang. No doubt the chain will find a way to unhook itself like it did to me. Hang in there, it's just part of the home project experience. Rehook them. Luckily the lights aren't as heavy, so you should be able to hold them up while you mess with the chain. My lights are plugging into these light socket conversion pieces. If you don't have something similar, you'll need to wire an outlet to some kind of power supply. These lights also chain together through the outlet on the end of the light, which is pretty cool. I used some old nail-in cable mounting pieces to secure the cord, just to make it look a little nicer, but not too much. So here it is, new LED light fixtures for my garage. I sure won't miss swapping out fluorescent bulbs like I had to before. If you enjoyed this project, please check out our other projects on Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects, and please like and subscribe for future projects.